These are the top 10 reasons Grandview, Missouri home buyers and real estate investors call Bulldog Professional Inspection Services when they want a premium home inspector. Number 1. If you change your mind about the home, there is no charge. If you change your mind about the home at the start of the home inspection, we'll stop the inspection with no charge. Number 2. We include photos of all important data plates. We take photos of the AC, furnace, and water heater data plates to prove the age of these major mechanicals. Number 3. A free ebook, Home Maintenance for Dummies 2nd Edition. This is a 369-page ebook that makes home maintenance and repairs a breeze in every part of the house. Number 4. We perform the original 5-point major items home inspection. Since 2005, we've been performing a major items inspection that only checks the foundation, plumbing, roof, electrical, and HVAC systems. Number 5. We give away a free gold package once a month. A $770 value and includes a free whole house inspection, radon test, and sewer scope inspection. To learn more, check out our Upreach program at bulldoginspect.com. Number 6. Your report will always be delivered the same day. We'll talk about the major items at the end, or call you on the phone if you can't attend, then you'll get your report later that day. Number 7. We were voted Kansas City's best home inspector in 2024. This is a reflection of our experience, skill, dedication, and commitment to delivering the very best home inspection to you. Number 8. Another free ebook, The Ultimate Building Materials Lifespan Guide. This ebook is a comprehensive guide that makes home ownership a little easier by giving you the average lifespan of over 300 items around the home. Number 9. We sell a 30-minute DIY home inspection checklist. Check the bones yourself before calling a professional using our 13-page full-color home inspection checklist. Just $18.99. Number 10. We don't make repairs. We will not offer to repair any of the defects we find. That means you will only get honest, unbiased home inspections without any conflict of interest. These were the top 10 reasons Grandview, Missouri home buyers and real estate investors call Bulldog Inspections when they want a premium home inspector. Call us today for your Grandview home inspection. We're right next door in Raymore and you'll be thrilled with the results, I promise.